रेडी। मुस्कान की डीप थॉट्स बैच का पर राइट है। लीडरशिप कुणाल का स्टाइल लेवल थोड़ा ब्राइट है। प्रिया की फ्लेंसी लाइट और स्पीड।
वी हैव गॉट वन एंड ओनली ईशा। जब तक रहेगी रसगुल्ले में चाशनी तब तक रहेगी विजनरीज में रोशनी। जैसी थी दिवाली पर सांस वैसे ही है विजनरीज का आवाज।
Hi everyone, welcome to Trio competition. Guys, there are three different batches. First is Visionaries, Spartans, and Ringleaders. Guys, in this particular competition, like before going to go ahead, I would like to tell you, since morning I've been having challenge session in different batches. So Trio competition is going to take place just right here. I want each one of you to give your best and start with the introduction session. I just want to say some of you have planned something new and creative. I just simply want you to come and perform, either right or wrong. Okay, don't afraid of anything, sir. I have planned this, I have forgotten this, because I've got to know few things. So I just want to say, simply come and present your best. Don't afraid of anything, and best of luck to all of you.
रेडी। मुस्कान की डीप थॉट्स बैच का पर राइट है। लीडरशिप कुणाल का स्टाइल लेवल थोड़ा ब्राइट है। प्रिया की फ्लेंसी लाइट और स्पीड। जैसी अनुदी की गाइडेंस मानो गीता का श्लोक। लक्ष्मी दी की बातें जैसे ज्ञान का मेला लगे। क्षितिज का लॉजिक कभी उससे भी प्यारा लगे। विशाल का माइंडसेट उससे भी स्ट्रांग है। रिंगलीडर्स की रोस्टिंग ऑलवेज ऑन द स्पॉट है। हाँ, अक्षत, अब बात करते हैं अक्षत के बारे में। ओके, अक्षत, हाँ, अक्षत की शायद अभी थोड़ी ज्यादा है, पर ये बंदा कर लेगा, ये हमारा वादा है। मीता दी की कंधों पे कई सारी जिम्मेदारी। सुपर लेडी कहलाती है सबसे प्यारी दी हमारी। एंड दी कनिष्का का भी टैलेंट जवाब है। हाँ, वॉइस चेंजिंग। एंड इन द लास्ट आई जस्ट वांट टू से दैट सब एक साथ मेरे बात बोलो, ऊंची आवाज में सब एक साथ बोलो। भैया का बैच है 5 बजे लगता है, दिल से आवाज आती। सो गाइस, दिस इज रिंग लीडर्स। कौन कहता है रुक जाओ। with the warm smile I want to say to ring Spartans and Visionaries कि बैठे बैठे क्या करें, करना है कुछ काम, लेके अभी भैया का नाम शुरू करो। महासंग्राम, महासंग्राम।
We are unstoppable. And this is the time to introduce the team that is going to take the session to the next level. And here we have got the first member who doesn't talk much or take the lead, but he is the only one who always makes us succeed. And that is our assistant coordinator, Yuvraj. The next is the one whose plans and performance doesn't always shine, but he is the only one whose plans always makes everything align. And that is our coordinator, Lakshya. With dedication and pride. His performance are always great. And that is our Tarun Bhaiya, who never shy. The next is Ayush, who is the black horse of a batch. Doesn't talk much or take the lead, but in the silence works very hard and then comes up with the results. Then the next is the adult with a childish heart, and she is the only one who brings smiles. Then we have the one who always stays silent, but she is the only one who never lets us go down, and she is Dabavidi. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Today you are going to see the vision of Visionaries. Yo, I know you all are chapris. I know you all got many tarif, but now you won't get any tarif just by the vision of Visionaries. If you don't know about Visionaries, Visionaries has first creative person. I am that first creative person. Do you know why? Because my name is Pratham. Ganeshji has two Riddhi and Siddhi. Here we have got one and only Nidhi. Nidhi Didi does a lot of chick, but here we have got one and only Amrit. When Amrit comes, he does me a sanket. Here we have got one and only Aniket. Aniket loves means Hasna. Here we have got one and only Krishna. I do believe India is a dish. Here we have got one and only Ritesh. I know you are carrying good, better sense, but we have also a better human Ansh. Government has banned every शिक्षा. Here we have got one and only ईशा. जब तक रहेगी रसगुल्ले में चाशनी, तब तक रहेगी विजनरीज में रोशनी. जैसी थी दिवाली पर सांस, वैसे ही है विजनरीज का आवाज. If you haven't drunk banana shake, we have got visionaries Lakshay. The vision of visionaries. 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 जैसे चलती है समुद्र में सुनामी, वैसे ही है visionaries की सुहानी. The vision of visionaries. The vision of visionaries. The vision of visionaries. जैसे है लोग सिंगापुर में शरीफ, वैसे ही है विजनरीज का प्रिंस.
Thank you so much, Vito.
This side of my batch, the confident and awesome batch who belongs to me, and they're conquer batch, and they have to conquer us. Are you ready for that, guys? Yes. Are you ready? Yes. So I'm going to introduce to my batchmates. It's a Harsh, and he lives far from the academy, but he comes in regular day. That show us their consistency to and motivate them. She's a to motivate her in our academy. She motivates us to perform there, and she's a teacher to teach to children to how to behave any kind. He's our bhaiya who reads, who preparing for the exam, and he is a very intelligent guy. Kailash and Ayan, they both are very confident guy, and they show you how to beat anyone. And the Daniel and the and Vikram, he is the very dangerous boy who show you like how to communicate and how to beat anyone. So thank you to all.
Hi everyone, this side Sumit, and I don't like defeat, and this is my team, and he is Devashish Bhaiya, and he is so confident, and he is so creative, and he is Vikas Bhaiya, and he leads our group, and he always speak in a class and talk with classmates, and he is Sushil Bhaiya, and he is so Sushil, and he is so amazing guy in a class, and he always initiate in a class. And she is Gayatri Di, she is so new, but she is so friendly and frank. And she is Pooja Di, she is a YouTuber, and she is so cute, and she always speak with me, and she is so supportive. And she is Sneha Di, and she is a today vlogger, and she is so confident, and they both are so strong girl, and they both are so independent girl, and she is so she cooks so delicious food, and she is like a metal. She never break, but she can melt in motion. Thank you for listening, guys.